We'll guide you through how to get and set a big clock on the Samsung phone lock screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I find it really convenient having the clock big and large because I can then easily go and see what time it is. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What we can do is we can go and swipe up like this. And then what we're going to do is go and head to settings. Start scrolling down. Now it's important to note that we won't be going to lock screen. You may think we need to. What you need to do is go and find wallpaper and style and click there. To the left here, you're going to go and see the lock screen, which you want to go and tap. Now what you can do is you can go and tap on it at the top, the date and time. And when you do that, you can actually go and change the font and the style. But to go make it bigger, you tap and hold one of these corner points. And you can adjust the size you want. So that's really big there. And you can then go and press done. It will then go and be applied, and I'll go and lock it and show you it's now big.